Okay, so you guys have all of your, you have the login that I sent over to Rito?
Yes.
Okay, so what you're going to do is underneath the post.
We must. Yes, Ritu, we have to log in.
Okay,
Okay.
so underneath post, you're going to go to printable list. If you want, I can go right to like the beginning of the site just so you could see.
Yeah, can we just start from the beginning? Like,
Yeah.
supposing we're going to do the Vaughn's one, right? So we just start from the beginning.
Oh, I really went to the beginning, didn't I? That's my website. Alright, so I have the Vaughn's ad scan right over here, ready to go. The one I sent you guys the link to. So here's what you guys are interested in. You guys are interested in the name. Let's say $5.99 a pound would be the price, so the dollar sign 5.99 a pound. You don't need to write club price. This is a really bad ad scan. We don't deal with alcohol on any stores. So, okay, so here's a good example. So you're going to do, you're interested in Oscar Mayer bacon, 12 to 16 ounces, $5.99 each. That's it for the title, in the title. All of this club price, all of that. Let me find a good example. So, Kellogg's Fruit Loops, 12 to, I can't even see that, 12.2 ounce or 12 ounce Rice Krispies. So you could stick the Rice Krispies in the title if you even wanted to. And then 12.2 ounce.
Okay.
Oh, well, wait a minute. On this one you can't because on the Fruit Loops it's the 12.2 ounce. On the Rice Krispies it's only the 12 ounce. And the size matters when it comes with the coupons.
Okay.
What is going on? Give me 1 second. I don't know what happened to my... Okay. Alright, so this is the very beginning.
It's coming into WordPress.
Yeah, right. So post, inside of post, you're going to see printable list. You click printable
Yes.
list. So once you click on printable list, the actual, I guess this would be the Moritz plugin. So when you guys are going to start it, you guys are going to create a list and you're going to label it. So all you need, once, the date, because everybody needs to know when. So I'm making one up because I'm just making it up. What I do is copy paste this into here. This is your list reference ID. It is this. It's this drop code. Just so you guys are aware of what it is. Do you want to share the list? No, because we're not ready to give it to anybody, so we don't want to share it. Do you want to be a teaser? We always want it to be a teaser because that one page taking up the whole entire front of the page, we don't want that. And everything else you can leave as is. These will say no. So you're going to hit save. So then here's your, these are shared, although this needs to be a teaser. Sorry, correcting my stuff while I'm going. These are not shared, these are shared. So if you go to try to import a list from me, you're not going to see Rite Aid because it's not shared, and you're not going to see Vaughn's because it's not shared. You'll see everything else that's green over here.
Okay. Got it.
So we're going to go in and we're going to manage our list, which is the last box. We need dividers. So we're going to import our dividers right over here on the top. And for this one, I mean, you can always preset whatever you want. But for this one, we're just going to use store because that's just the basic. It's going to ask you if you want to import them. And we're going to say yes. So Vaughn's has what they call a $5 Friday. So this is preset for another store. So I would erase the mega and just change it to $5 Friday. I mean, you can always delete these if these are not applicable. Like this 4-day sale,
Yes.
you could always delete those.
Yeah.
If you want to add in a divider, you type it in here. So I'll do $5 here. If you hover over anything, that's going to pop up, insert divider. Or if you put it over here, that means you're putting it underneath one of the dividers. So I'm just gonna insert them up there just to show you guys. I'm gonna get you one that is okay. So I'll do the Starbucks coffee or K-cups. So if it's something simple like a fruit, where am I going? Something simple like a fruit where you know that there is no possible way there's a coupon for it, like USDA choice or Vaughn's chicken or something like that, you know that there's no coupon. So we're gonna do USDA choice boneless beef. Choice beef. Top sirloin steak, $5.99 a pound. Okay, so from here, we're going to put it, it doesn't matter if you hit the arrow up, arrow down, and then you're going, I don't know if you saw what I meant. Here's arrow down,
Yeah.
here's arrow up. It's the same thing. It just goes either on the top of that divider or the bottom of the divider. It doesn't really matter. I just hit whatever I hit first. So then you're going to put it, you're going to click the plus, and it's going to pop up right under meat, deli, and seafood.
Okay.
So that's for the items that you know that there are no coupons. I mean, for everything else, you can work out of that coupon database. I don't know if I just went in there too fast. This coupon database, you can work out of there the whole entire time. You don't even need to look in the front end, I mean, unless you're checking your work. There's a little plus sign over here that you need to open, and I have this final price preset in there, so it never goes anywhere. So what we're doing is we're going to search for our coupon. I'm going to go to one that I know that has a coupon. Let's go to Starbucks. Starbucks coffee. Alright, so here's what I'm going to do. I selected this because as soon you see that title, the description, it auto-populates it in here and it's less for me to type. Yes, I'm lazy, I know. So it's Starbucks coffee or K-cups. Oh, come on. Starbucks coffee or K-cups. Well, let me see what the packages are. The size, because we need the size. 12-ounce bag or 10 count of the K-cups. 12-ounce bag or 10 count K-cups. Alright, let's see what that price was. You're going to see there's a box over here that says price and final. I don't use those. I put all of my starting prices in the title or in this box right over here, which is the same thing, it's the title. If you double click on here, it lifts it up and pulls it down. Or I usually just X out of it. So it's $5.99 each when you buy 3. That's very important when we're doing matchups. If it doesn't say when you buy 3, that means they could buy 1 at $5.99. This way, if they buy 2, they're not paying $5.99. They're going to pay the actual regular price. So they have to buy 3 in order to get the $5.99. So that's really important to put inside of the matchups. $5.99 each, and you could abbreviate when you buy 3. So we're gonna check out. We've already put the final price in here. Our final price is gonna go over here in this post item content. So this is going to be, I'm just gonna put it as grocery because to me it's the best one that goes. So we have $2 off 2. Here's the limitation. Oh, here, this is the description, the value, the expiration of the coupon, this source where you could find it, coupons.com, Smart Source. Here's your limitations. These and store are very important because they list all different types of stores, and Vaughn's doesn't take other store coupons. So we have to be careful that we're not picking a mayor's coupon. I would stay away from this select stores because I'm not sure where that would come from. And that one's mayor. These are Kroger digital coupons. We're not doing Kroger, so those aren't applicable. So we're just going to go for the ones that are, so this would apply. It's a 10 count and plus. It's $1.50 off 1. This would probably be our best bet. Starbucks package bags, so that's a pretty good price too. Packaged products off K-cups. That is our size for our K-cup count. And 12 ounce plus for our bag. Yeah. Alright, so we got all of our coupons. Now we're going to find the best coupon to match to make it the lowest price possible. So $5.99 when you buy 3. So the highest value coupon seems to be the $2 off 1. So it would make them, if they use 3, they would have to use 3 coupons to get it for $3.99 each. So our final price is going to be.
I think there are $4 off 3.
But that would be just once, right?
Right, but here with the Starbucks, they can use 3.
You can use it 3 times.
You can use it 3 different times.
Right.
Oh, got it. Yeah.
So this is going to be $3.99 each when you buy 3.
Okay.
So when you hit create, all of this disappears. This stays because this is the search for the coupon. So if I X out of here, here it is. It's going to be an HTML form. So our description, our price is here, and then our coupon and our final price is going to be here. Let me just explain to you what these sort items and all this stuff on the top are. Sort items, let's say by accident you hit the wrong divider. And oops, top choice beef is under pets by accident, or it doesn't need to be under this, it needs to be under pets. So you're going to select it, and you could select multiple if you want. If you hold down the shift bar, and you can keep on selecting it. But I just want USDA choice. So this moves. Okay, so now I have it under the right divider. I'm going to click save, and it's going to go. Excuse me. Import divider, I told you. Texture place. You guys are probably not going to need that.